Taiwan leading in the cheap semiconductor in the world, and 60% produce cheap in the world. And India now as emerging market for cheap productions. India many factory open in the Gujarat, Sanand, Uttar Pradesh, Jubair, Assam, Punjab, and in Bangalore design company open now recently. China leading in the semiconductor industry, but in semiconductor industry, especially cheap production, Taiwan occupied market 60% market, but designing market occupied by Malaysia and Philippines, and semiconductor chain occupied by China, and but cheap production occupied by Taiwan. Taiwan, a little small country in the Atlantic Ocean, very close to China, but he ahead in the cheap production at the world platform. India should make good relation to Taiwan to take idea from Taiwan and take technique from Taiwan. How is the possible for Taiwan, just a little country, and how at the large scale he produce cheap. India also emerging market, and India want to attempt to make more cheap, like Vikramaditya 32 chip very recently India launched by Information and Technology Ministry by Ashwini Vaishnaw, and in New Delhi, and Prime Minister available this occasion, and this is the I think very good for India and for Taiwan if India contact for this regard, especially in chip. But India have a technique, and India start last 3 years in India focus on chip production. Last 3 years focus production and designing company in the Bangalore, and production factory in the Gujarat, Sanand, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Punjab, and Odisha. This is the market, this is the factory location in India, and 10 to 12 project going on in the regarding to production of chip in India. Chip is very important for mobiles, cell phones, computers, laptops, and missiles, and rocket and satellite. All electronic equipment required chips are semiconductor. India should have good relations with China and Taiwan. Taiwan especially in the chip production, China in the semiconductor. Chip is the as a semiconductor, but Taiwan occupied 60% of chip, and Malaysia is the designing member, and Philippines is the designing member. America also important member, a partner of chip production, semiconductor industry. India also emerging market, and this is the India also good player. America it is a good player. China is the head in the semiconductor. Taiwan is the good player, and Philippines and Malaysia is the designing to why this little country ahead for India, because he focused from very long time on the electronic sector, but India not focus. India last 3 years focus on semiconductor. Therefore this, but in 2030, until 2030 market of